Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off highlight of speak screen in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak. Click on that and then go to the second option over here, speak screen. In this you will see the second option over here, highlighting. Click on that and then on the top you will get this option to turn this off. Once you click on that toggle, it's going to be turned off, and that's it. There is no highlighting in speak screen, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.